वेलकम टू ब्रिज कोर्स. इयत्ता 9वी साठी इंग्लिश विषयासाठी आज आपण ॲक्टिव्हिटी 11 बघणार आहोत. वेलकम टू माय चॅनल सोल्युशन इन युअर हँड. माझ्या चॅनलला तुम्ही लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब सुद्धा करा. आजची आपली ॲक्टिव्हिटी पी.व्ही. सिंधूशी रिलेटेड आहे. ॲक्टिव्हिटी 11 लर्निंग आउटकम्स. राईट अँड एसे ऑन डिफरंट टॉपिक्स ऑर सब्जेक्ट्स. आतापर्यंत आपण पॅराग्राफ रायटिंग बघितलं होतं. आता आपण एसे बघणार आहोत. लर्निंग ॲक्टिव्हिटी 2. प्रिपेअर अ पॅराग्राफ ऑन पी.व्ही. सिंधू. यूज द फॉलोइंग पॉइंट्स. फुल नेम पुसरला वेंकटा सिंधू, स्टेट आंध्र प्रदेश. Parents P.V. Ramana and P. Vijaya. Early success 5th Servo All India Ranking Championship for under 10 category. Won the single title at Ambuja Cement. Recent recognition. Recent recognition in 2012. She won Asia Youth Under 19 Championship awards. She won many awards including Padma Shri in 2015. In 2016, she got Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. इथं आपल्याला काही पॉइंट्स दिलेले आहेत. त्या पॉइंट्स आधारे आपल्याला एक पॅराग्राफ कंप्लीट करायचा आहे आणि त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला एक एसे तयार करायचा आहे. 8वीला पी.व्ही. सिंधूवर एक तुम्हाला चॅप्टर झालेला आहे. तुम्ही तो निश्चितच अभ्यास केलेला असेल. इथं सॉल्व्ड ॲक्टिव्हिटीमध्ये 2 ओळी दिलेल्या आहेत. पुढचा पॅराग्राफ आपण कंप्लीट करायचा आहे. पुसरला वेंकटा सिंधू इज बॅडमिंटन प्लेयर. शी बॉर्न अँड बॉट फ्रॉम आंध्र प्रदेश. हा शॉर्ट पॅराग्राफ इथं दिलेल्या पॉइंट्सच्या आधारे तयार केलेला आहे. पी.व्ही. सिंधू इज अ बॅडमिंटन प्लेयर. शी बॉर्न अँड ब्रॉट फ्रॉम आंध्र प्रदेश. हर फादर्स नेम इज P.V. Ramana and mother's name is Vijaya. Sindhu's first major recognition came in the form of the 5th Servo All India Ranking Championship for under 10 category. She also won the single title at the Ambuja Cement All India Ranking. On the 7th July 2012, Sindhu won Asia Youth Under 19 Championship. She won many awards. P.V. Sindhu has received the Padma Shri Award in 2015. In 2016, she received the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Really, P.V. Sindhu is pride of India. इथं एक ॲक्टिव्हिटी दिलेली आहे. Read the following points and write answers in together as a single paragraph. Use the points and develop an essay. Suggest a suitable title to your writing. Name of the player, related sports, early career beginning, coach, struggle, guidance, achievements. आता पी.व्ही. सिंधू या खेळाडूविषयीच आपण एक मोठा निबंध लिहिणार आहोत. सिंधूवरचा तुम्ही धडा जर अभ्यासला असेल तर तुम्हाला त्याच्यामध्ये लक्षात येईल की तिनं भरपूर अवॉर्ड्स मिळवलेले आहेत. मी ह्या एसेमध्ये काही ठराविकच अवॉर्ड्सचा उल्लेख केलेला आहे. मात्र तुम्ही धडा तो एकदा दोनदा वाचा, जेणेकरून तिचं कर्तृत्व किती मोठं आहे हे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. इथं मी पी.व्ही. सिंधू बद्दलच एसे तयार केलेला आहे. टायटल आहे युथ आयकॉन पी.व्ही. सिंधू. पी.व्ही. सिंधू इज अ पॉप्युलर इंडियन बॅडमिंटन प्लेयर who represented India on an international level. P.V. Sindhu was born in the year 1995 on the 5th July in Hyderabad to P.V. Ramana and Vijaya. She eventually started playing badminton for the age of 8. P.V. Sindhu first learned the basic of sports with the guidance of Mehboob Ali at the badminton course of India Railway Institute of Signal Engineering and Telecommunication in the Secunderabad. Later she joined P. Gopichand's Badminton Academy to further enhance her sporting skill. Sindhu's first major recognition came in the form of the 5th Servo All India Ranking Championship for under 10 category. She also won the single title at Ambuja Cement All India Ranking. At the 51st National School Game in India, Sindhu won the gold medal under 14 category. PV Sindhu didn't take much time to launch and established herself as promising player in the global arena. Global arena म्हणजे आंतरराष्ट्रीय स्तरावर. She won a bronze medal at 2009 Sub-Junior Asian Badminton Championship held in Colombo. PV Sindhu won 5 championship medals, a gold, 2 silver, 2 bronze. PV Sindhu's biggest achievement is winning a medal in Rio Olympic 2016. She also got Arjun Award in 2013, Padma Shri in 2015 and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2016. Truly, PV Sindhu is pride of India. Let's start parallel activity. Read the following points and write answers in together as a single paragraph. Use the given points and write an essay. इथं तुम्हाला विषय दिलेले आहेत. मेन सीझन, समर, मान्सून, विंटर. देअर फीचर्स हॉट, कूल, वेट, ड्राय, वॉर्म. इथं 3 ऋतू दिलेले आहेत. उन्हाळा, पावसाळा, हिवाळा. त्याच्याशी रिलेटेड असणारे तुम्ही पॉइंट्सच्या आधारे एक एसे तयार करायचा आहे. My favorite season, monsoon. Rainy season is also known as monsoon. It begins from the June and continues up to early September. It comes after summer season. It is the time when most of the rainfall occurs. The sky is generally cloudy throughout the season. Rainy season has very pleasant weather with cool breeze and rain shower. Rainy season. In rainy season, plants, trees, and grasses looks very green and attractive. Ponds, rivers, streams receive plenty of rainwater during the rainy season. Rainy season helps farmer by providing rainwater needed for good cultivation of crops. Rainy season is a season that preferred by almost all the peoples because after heating it brings relief. I like rainy season most. Evaluation. Write an essay on my hobby. Your passion or hobby. Spending time. Learning skills. Individuals or group work. Enjoyment with achievements. Get fresh and recognition. My hobby, reading. Having a hobby is a good thing. Hobbies play a very important role in our day-to-day life. Everybody has some kind of hobby. Some people like singing, dancing, playing, etc. I like reading books. I like to read all types of books. Reading is the best hobby because it enhances our knowledge. Enhance म्हणजे वाढवतं. I daily read newspapers, news, general knowledge books. I like to read all types of books, but books on fairy tales, books based on some great personalities are my favorite books. I read books with much interest. I read books mostly in English and Marathi language. Sudha Murthy, Shivaji Savant are my favorite authors. I also read stories of Ramayana and Mahabharata. Books are my best friends and guide also. This hobby keeps me happy and refreshed. My hobby keeps me away from mental illness. So I like reading very much. In this way, we have completed activity 11. So, thank you for watching my video.